Swapping arrays is a classic programming task. Traditionally, you will grab a temporary variable to do the job. Now, for example, let's say we have the variable, let's declare a variable first greeting and give it a value of string value, hello, guys. So now let's declare another variable number and give it the data type of integer of number, let's say 55. So now what we want to do here is that we want to swap the values. We want that this variable, so the value of this variable should be found inside this one, the variable greeting, and this one should be found inside number. And to do that, we need to use a temporary variable. So let's first of all declare it temporary variable, and the first thing to do here is to assign to it the value of greeting, the variable greeting. The second step here is to now assign a new value to the variable of greeting. So greeting, greeting. The new variable here will be number. And the last step to do here is to assign a new value to the variable of number, which is basically the temporary value that we store. So the value of greeting that we store. So number is equals to temporary. And I think that let us just check it very fast. So I think that if we console log greeting, we log the value of the value where we shall have as output 55, and same thing here from number we shall have as output hello. Hello. So let's just try it and see the result. 55 hello, as you can see. So that's it, as I said. So this method, or this traditional way of doing the thing, works perfectly. But the problem here is that it feels a little bit bulky, right? So extra steps, extra array variables, and if you're not careful, you can make silly errors on it. So now let me give you the tip. Let's enter the modern world. A slick of shortcuts, and this trick works with array destructuring. So let me just try and comment out this result, this old fashioned, and put it short one. So now let me show you the trick. So let me just copy this guy and put it here. So here, to do it using the concept of array destructuring, which is a concept that is used in modern JavaScript, let's say lab. So the first thing we do is that on the left hand side, we open our braces and declare all the variables that we want to swap. So basically, swapping involve only two variables, so greeting and number. And on the right hand side, we just swap them. So we reassign new variables, new values to the variable. So greeting. And I see if we try and console log the thing, we shall get the same result. So let me just check it. So yes, this was the first result with the old style. Now this is a new result with a new style. So that's just it. One line, the values are swapped cleanly. So how does it work? As I said, on the right hand side here, we create a temporary array with swapped position. And on the left hand side, we simply destructure this left hand side, we destructure the array, assigning the first element to greeting and second element to number. So a quick pro tip here is, you first of all have to understand this long approach is very important, because if you understand how it works, how is it used, how do we use temporary variables, and so on and so forth, when you have understood it, then you can now go and embrace this modern trick about array destructuring. So basically, to write elegant, concise code. So a quick question for you is, what's your favorite swapping method? Is it the classic way with temporary variables, or the modern way with the structuring of array? So don't forget to smash the like button